Okay, let's talk a little bit about the BMW 328i. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and look at part 1 first, when we first got it in. But this car is officially done and is also sold already. Okay, now if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I think only 3% of our viewers are actually subscribers. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up and the subscription. You know, it doesn't cost you anything, helps the channel out a lot. Okay, now let's get into the BMW 328i. We decided to go ahead and let's get this car fixed and try to flip it. So we did a quick inspection. I realized the car did have an oil leak. It's very common for those BMWs to have an oil leak in the valve cover, okay? So we went ahead and we had that replaced. I replaced the valve cover on it. We also realized that there was a little bit of coolant leaking from the vehicle. In order to confirm exactly where it's coming from, we had to do one of those pressure tests. You can kind of put some air in the system and you can see exactly where the coolant's leaking from.
Seeing some bubbles already. Wait, keep going. That's pretty fast, eh? It's pretty fast. It's a very small crack.
You see a small crack?
Yeah.
Really?
I swear to God, I see it already. Look, let's look right here. You see right there, so?
These are the two major leaks we can find. Oil, just a BMW problem, have nothing to do with the accident. The radiator have to do with the accident. Maybe the impact cracked that a little bit, okay? So if you remember also the airbags, both the roof airbags and the driver steering wheel airbags did deploy. We replaced the driver airbag. Those ones are quick plug and play. You just kind of unscrew it from the back. I don't think I made a clip of that. And then we just kind of pop it in. The roof airbags a little bit trickier. We have to drop the roof liner and then kind of bolt in the new ones and then plug it up. Luckily for this BMW, as soon as I plug in the new airbags, my regular scanner could have just reset the airbag module, so I didn't have to replace any modules or reprogram any of them like with outside help. Just plug in my regular scanner and was able to reset everything, which was a plus for us.
The black hood is installed, ready to go. Obviously we didn't need to paint it because I got it black. That's the old hood here. It definitely was workable, but the amount of money you're going to spend to fix this and paint it black again, it was cheaper to just go ahead and put another black hood on. I couldn't find a black bumper, so that's the only thing I'm gonna have to paint. I got the bumper already. It's at the body shop, a couple $100 to get it painted, and then I will install it after. So rebars back in.
When it comes to the headlights were damaged. At least one of them was. So I chose to just get a aftermarket set online. The price of the aftermarket pair was about the same price of just one used, or just a okay, let me put numbers on it. I believe the used headlight was about $500 from the wreckers, and I paid approximately $750. I'm just pulling those numbers off my memory right now, but if you guys want to see a real cost reveal, if you made it this far, you want to see a cost reveal on that BMW and how much money I made on it because it's already sold, let me know in the comment section. So if enough people ask for a cost reveal and we get enough thumbs up on this video, I'll go ahead and do a cost reveal for you, okay? So anyway, back to the flip process here. So we went ahead and changed the headlights on it. The bumper was new. We got it painted, put that on. Side reflectors, again, I don't think I have a video of that, but we did replace those reflectors in the side of the bumper, front bumpers. Overall, it was a quick, straightforward flip. You can see a nice walk around here that the vehicle is super clean and ready to go, and it pretty much sold right away. So this BMW is sold, done with. Move on to the next project. Now, again, if you want to see a price reveal, leave a thumbs up, let me know, and I will do it in a couple of days for you, okay? Thanks for watching. I catch you another one. Don't forget to subscribe. Do it now.